You got like a kind of like a slow feel to it tonight. I like that.
This is called Chill Channel.
Oh, this is chill, huh?
Okay. Free stream. Go through a couple different ones. Here's down tempo.
Yeah, you had a really groovy one last time.
Yeah, it's just whatever they hit us with. I always use chill, and then whatever they're playing.
Cool.
Lounge. Let's go hip hop.
Ooh, the lounge is kind of smooth. I like that.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back. Hip hop.
And that's why you tune in to Crypto Chat Live. Hear our studio music.
Yeah, we gotta pick our music in the background. This is hip hop.
That's hip hop?
No, this is pop music.
Okay.
Chill pop. All right, we're gonna go back to the other one. I agree. Let's do it lounge. We'll go lounge tonight.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
There you go. Leave it up a little bit in the background during the show. All right. Let's see if we got anybody today.
You know it's going to be a wild night at Crypto Chat Live when you're pounding the Perrier Energize.
Oh, yeah. Dallas is here. Thank you, Dallas.
This one's for you, Dallas.
He's got the, we're all trying to stay awake. I have my Yeti filled with coffee.
Yo, Pun's alive. Pun's alive. He's back.
Yeah, Pun. Who is that guy? Oh my God, stranger. Pun is. Thought we lost Pun.
He's back from a quest. Yeah, that's true. Double or triple price drinks.
Trying to pick our new music, guys. You just tell us anytime if this is too loud in the background. I want to see if we let some music play while we do this thing. Oh, product placement.
Exactly. Thank you, Perrier. So, yeah, right. Let's kick it off. And yes, we're without our fearless leader, the professor.
Yes, we are. Let's do this.
Yeah, the kids are home.
Yep. All right, Keith. Get it all up.
Boom.
All right, people. Crypto Chat Live. I'm Joe. Keith right here. Right there.
Yeah, I'll never get it right. Yeah, he's
and
Joe.
Further over, the rest of our crew. Dallas, Puncraft, and the team. Wait for the rest of the team to show up. So let's get into the markets. Woohoo! Yes, you are the co-host, guys. All right. Seems like this bull run is. I mean, it's not even a bull run yet, but everything's moving forward.
It's feeling pretty bullish. Let's be honest. Yeah.
Well, it's feeling bullish for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's recovering faster than the equities markets right now. The S&P 500 is down about 4%, and during that same time, Bitcoin is up 18%. I don't think we've ever said that before. Like usually, if the stock market goes down, crypto has been going down. People are truly moving. It looks like their assets in the crypto.
Yeah, well, but to your point, specifically Bitcoin, we're not seeing this translate necessarily to the altcoins. And I think, you could make the argument that there's a little bit of a skittishness in the market. The few whiffs of inflation that we're seeing definitely starting to come through now in the numbers. You could argue, the equities market's taking a little bit off the table and flowing into Bitcoin is a bit of a hedge. So,
yeah, it's a different time. I feel like the markets are maturing, even despite the crypto ban in China. You saw a slight pullback, but now everything's been moving forward.
Yeah, that was amazing to me, the way Bitcoin just completely shrugged off some heavy duty bad news from China. So like not even the threat, but the threat and the follow through, which was unusual, and just took it in stride.
That's right, Punkcraft. I don't know where you've been, but Bitcoin is up to 57. Your soul is not moving as much, but it's probably still better than what you bought it at.
And Papa Sean is still holding his 100K call on Bitcoin too, I would like to add.
Yes. Maybe he's the secret creator of Bitcoin.
Yeah,
You didn't even know this whole time.
Satoshi. He's Satoshi.
Yes.
We've had him on the show the whole
Sean
time.
is Satoshi.
We should start that rumor. Sean is Satoshi. I wonder if we spell Satoshi backwards and like block out some vowels that spell Sean.
And it is true, Punkcraft. I think, yeah, the China ban was only a slight hiccup because the United States now is, I'm going to pull it up. The U.S. has now become the hash rate king thanks to China shutting it all down. Look at that.
Yeah.
Have to tease the guys in the Philippines. There you go. USA. That was it.
That was it. Moving right along.
Yep. All right. What else? Since May, the percent of here's the other thing that shows the market's maturing. Since May, the percentage of margin contracts on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is down 50%. So people are slowing down on leveraging in the crypto markets. There's a lot of those margin calls are the big dips created.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man. Like, margin is a ticking time bomb, right? Everybody loves it on the way up, and on the way down, it really creates a big trail of carnage. So I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing.
Yeah.
And you know what? I saw, Joe? I was reading today that our friends at Coinbase, they launched their NFT marketplace. So actually, they launched a waiting list for their NFT marketplace. And I think they clocked 1 million people on the wait list already. And the interest was so heavy, it took down some of their servers or slowed their servers down. Like, that's phenomenal to me.
I know. And I'm not really into the NFT section of this, you know?
But there's 1 million other people, obviously, that are.
Most of the world is. I'll admit I'm the one that needs to catch up a little bit more. And as I was to throw to your story, Visa's launching an NFT program to support digital artists. So everybody is on the NFT bandwagon.
Yeah, that's a crowded space now. It's a really crowded space. I'm very glad Dynamo moved months ago to play to earn gaming.
Yes. I'm much more into the gaming. I think there's a lot more people that I guess what pushes me away with the NFTs is the art thing. I'm not so much into thinking that holding artwork on an NFT is valuable. And I think that's what people are doing.
Explain to me this. I mean, I know you're big in the entertainment industry. We were chatting earlier today about the whole NFT boom within comedy, within the comedic universe. Like that, I don't even understand that. Like,
now, that one I can get behind and I understand.
Okay, fill me in.
Comics have their stuff stolen all the time. You have your bits stolen all the time by other people. If you write a bit and you put it up there and you have a way to record that you did it first, I mean, that's huge in that world. When somebody steals a bit, I mean, Carlos Mencia, to this day, his downfall is because he was stealing other people's stuff for 20 years in front of people. He would go in front of the other guy before him and steal his bits.
Oh.
So unlike the musical war in this world, you know, somebody else is more famous. They see you at the nightclub, they like one of your acts or something like that, and that's just a minor part of it. I think, you know, selling your half-hour stand-up, and then somebody else has an NFT of it, and if somebody else buys that stand-up, and you're getting like residuals, that's valuable too. But these comics want to record and prove they were the first one to say that joke.
Right. Yeah, fascinating. And really, really fascinating to see the comedians move into the NFT space.
Dalis says Dynamo NFTs are going to be different since they will be stored on the full nodes, not IPFS stuff. Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
We are the future. Dynamo the future. I like the comic bit NFT idea. Yeah, it's and I think I sent it to them earlier. Where was that? It was I found it really interesting because this blockchain or this coin, I don't know too much about it, is really just focusing on comedy. That's it, nothing else. I'm not gonna sit here and try to look for it right now.
Yeah,
but maybe it's something else to look at, guys. Maybe inside of Isle of Trials, there could be a stand-up shack.
that would be awesome.
People
Like
doing
some little
stand-up.
minotaur telling like bad dad jokes or something.
Oh my God, Dalis, you're dating yourself. I thought you were a teenager, but you just pulled out Gallagher.
Oh my God, Gallagher.
I figured Dalis was like 20, 25 years old, something like that.
At heart, baby, at heart.
Gallagher. You
I
just
remember
dated
him.
yourself. You
Yep.
just dated yourself.
You'd go to his show and you'd have to wear like some sort of poncho, right?
Yeah, exploding the watermelons.
Yeah.
Rumor had that guy was brilliant. Apparently, rumor has he had a twin brother, and they would both go out and do the same act. So they make double the money.
That's funny. Wow. Yeah, very, very cool. But yeah, speaking, NFTs, I like Sean's idea within Isle of Trials is, he's obviously building out the whole NFT marketplace. And what is he calling it? Like a little MLS listing. So it's sort of like a real estate board where you can choose your crib, your castle or whatnot. And
that's going to be a feat in itself, making a website.
I agree.
Doing that. That's.
Whoa, get that one up from Sheriff. Sheriff's been to a Gallagher show too. This is our vibe, man. This is like comedy night.
Sheriff,
I love it.
1980. Yeah, I would think, but yeah, I mean,
classics.
Yeah.
So all kidding aside, didn't Gallagher die? Is he still with us?
I don't know.
Or did he cross the Rainbow Bridge?
I'm not sure. Rainbow Bridge.
If anybody out there knows, is Gallagher still with us? Or is he smashing fruit at the pearly gates? I thought I read something. He's gone.
Comedian.
He's moved.
It's been a while when you have to type in Gallagher, not just Gallagher, but Gallagher comedian. Here,
yeah,
the whole thing with the twin brother. Let's see if it was truth. Yeah, he had a twin brother that would go out and do the same act, so they can make twice the money. Looks like he's still alive.
Really? Wow.
Gallagher. Oh yeah, because one of my buddies in Atlanta, Gallagher came to Atlanta. He's 1946. He's in his 70s. He did a little act in Atlanta, I think 2 years ago. Regardless, he lives in our hearts.
He does, Dalis. He does. We all carry a little bit of Gallagher right here.
VC, this is finally, we've needed this, everybody. VC firm A16Z pursuing crypto lobbying push in Washington. So finally, crypto is going to be getting lobbyists. The cigarette companies, tobacco companies, everybody else have them. The crypto needs them. Crypto needed it about 6 months ago, but at least they're here now.
Yeah, everybody has a lobbying group in Washington. Crypto's just reached, long past a critical mass point where they do need some representation formally in Washington. So good. Yeah, Andreessen Horowitz. It's a power packed, group there.
Yeah, look at that.
No, go back to that. The 85%. That's a fascinating story to me.
85% of circulating Bitcoin has not moved in 3 months or more. 85%. That is a great sign for crypto.
Totally. It's holders, right? It's not, fast money traders, which is fine. Absolutely fine. There's a place for that. But that shows that, people are in this, for a longer duration. And, I think that's providing real stability to this rally.
Yep.
That's a great stat.
And as we talk about that, these world banks are getting more and more nervous. Bank of England Deputy Governor, regulation should pursue crypto as a matter of urgency. So they're just following the United States tracks and Biden's tracks and trying to get everything pinned down so these banks don't become non-existent.
Well, I was just in London last week, and look, they're in a really unique position. The UK, they're not only dealing with inflation, but they're also dealing with the ramifications of Brexit and the UK's role within the global financial system, and the kind of the rising emergence of the bigger European banks. So yeah, the UK's kind of got it on both fronts. They have to figure out where they want to stand in the crypto world.
Yeah, they're a lot more. Yeah, even with I was living in Italy when they were part of the EU, and England didn't like it.
Mm-hmm.
At least everybody I encountered, and that's why they're not in it anymore. But I think a lot of the countries don't really like it.
Yeah, I mean, not to sidetrack this and turn this into Euro chat, but yeah, Poland, right? Poland is exploring pulling out or floating a trial balloon.
Yep. Well, it's more centralizing the whole, all of Europe. The whole thing about decentralization, it kind of is like crypto.
Yeah.
They're trying to centralize all those countries.
Yeah, big experiment.
Let's see, I'm trying to find. I like this one. Mark Cuban talking some smack on Twitter. He's fun to watch. So Mark Cuban called out SEC Chair Gary Gensler, basically, I think kind of accusing him of not knowing what he's doing, and says that he need to make a crypto law regulation that is much more clear for everybody, and the clarity is more important. And I mean, we've all been saying that, and I think the regulation that they pushed in this last part is kind of dangerous, or I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, look, markets abhor, whatever the opposite of clarity is, right? They all crave clarity. They abhor confusion. So he's right on that. So more power to him. I don't know what will change, but
this is like fire. What is it? Just rocket fire. Just stories left and right.
Yeah, pull up the fear and greed meter when you get a chance.
Yeah, but
that's like my favorite part of the show.
This is what gets me with the whole NFT thing. This is what just gets me confused, and like the non-fungible token craze hit the roof as people are increasingly spending millions on digital collectibles. This rock, the latest phenomenon is a rock. Yes, it's a JPEG photo of the rock. Has fetched 1.3 million and paid to someone named 420. Almost sounds like a made-up story from The Onion.
Yeah.
But that right there is what makes me go, that's people moving money around because they don't want to pay taxes. And that can create regulation.
There's a lot of money out there too.
But that's just out of hand. That's just silly.
I don't know. That's art, man. One man's silly is another man's $1 million treasure.
There's no other reason for somebody to be buying that unless it's to move some money. I don't know. I mean, that's why a lot of the artwork is bought and sold.
Maybe Vitalik bought it.
Keith's favorite segment of the show, the fear and greed.
Fear and greed.
There you go. I'll let you take it over.
I wish we could do like a time-lapsed bit with the fear and greed index, because I'm telling you, like, it feels like a week ago you were pegged in the red at like 27, 28, and in such a short period of time, you're now just shy of the dark green at 80. Just phenomenal the rate at which it moves.
Yeah, but that's the crypto market. A week from now, it could be down 15,000. But we're not jumping off buildings because we know in 2 weeks after that, it's going back up.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I view it as a contrarian indicator more often than not. So,
but what's funny is yesterday was at 78 extreme greed. Now it's just down to 70. Yeah, last month. Here you go. Last month, fear, 44.
Yeah. And it was much lower than that. I mean, candidly,
you want to see the?
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. 26. Yeah, we knew it was in the high 20s. September 27th. Oh my God, September 27th. What was that? 2.5 weeks?
Here, we'll go 1 month. 21.
Wow, 21.
22nd.
Well, hit September 30. There you go, 20. What was that? 14 days ago? 13 days ago?
Yeah. It bounces. It's insane the way it bounces around.
Yeah.
Everybody falling asleep out there, huh? Well, Sean's not here, so I think they're bored of us. We're not. We're the fill-ins. We're not the cool kid.
I should have worn my wig.
Yes. We talked about that. Sean is convinced that you're too straight-laced to dress up.
Well, I'll wear my Viking hat. Kind of get
Dungeons and Dragons stuff on.
We're gonna do that.
It will heckle you in the background during this whole thing.
More than likely, as they should. I would.
Yep. What else we got going on? Crowd is quiet tonight. I will like to show this off though. Sean did a great job of. Oh yes, he asked that last week.
Dude, I gotta get one of those. I gotta get it made. I'm gonna go like I Heart Sheep.
We gotta get you actually some Shiba.
Yep.
Do you have any sheep?
No. I didn't throw any money at it. It's just fun to talk about. It's so darn cute.
Apparently, there's a new coin coming out that's supposed to be the little sister of sheep.
Yeah, I saw that.
I mean, they're all scams. You just got to hope it's promoted right. But
yep, this has got to be cuter or it's not going to win. It'll fail.
Yeah. I would like to say Sean has done a great job with this right here. Here's Dynamo Twitter paying for that promotion with that influencer. We're at 4,348 followers.
Yeah, that was huge. That was a really, really huge campaign. Absolutely tip of the hat.
Yeah.
And ditto for Discord.
Yeah.
Twitter and Discord, both knocked out of the park.
Yeah, let me pull this back up. All right. I don't really know. I'm kind of just blowing through. If you look across any of these, it's one of those days in crypto where if you just look at any of the crypto websites, it's just a slow day.
Very quiet news day. Yep. Very, very
rehashed stuff. Yeah, it's all rehashed stories. Like they're just trying to put stuff up there for the Google algorithm.
Yeah, China took the bench, stopped with its little tantrum rants. There's nothing else to talk about.
Pro traders now it's time to range. Yeah.
We should do martini night. Well, Friday. We'll wine and dine. Wine, martinis, and dine.
It's tough for us to do martinis. Not like dayless. You know, we have a bunch of kids running around and different things. We can't drink too much.
Yeah. Actually, Joe, I'm surprised you're not on the side of the road in the crypto van. You're actually in the studio.
I know.
That's nice.
Today. Yeah.
Nice.
Rare day. I didn't get called in. Slow day in news. Slow day in crypto world. Slow day in news too.
True.
Which is good. I could be here in my little corner nook in the bedroom.
The studio.
I just try to make myself look important by putting monitors behind me. It's like
it works.
Important. Yeah, there's not much really going on. And you guys, Any questions? I mean, really, we can't give you too many updates. Sean's not here to show us any of the game. I'm working on making the game work on a Mac, since I'm a Mac guy. So, Scary Joe's doing a little coding stuff.
Coding, baby. That's right.
Right. All right.
All right.
If he has anything else to say, we are going to shut this down for the night because I don't think anything. Yeah. We got out there. We did it. Bitcoin's at 57. Ethereum, 36. They moved back up. Aave, 297. 88. This is a great time to get SM Cardano. It's just staying down there at 218. You know.
Yeah, but CDM and Daedalus have a good call out that the price action in Dynamo has been very, very interesting and positive over the last several days. And while we've seen a little bit of a retracement, it's still holding, significantly above previous highs. So, yeah, very, very good. And again, more good things to come because all of us on the advisory board are focused on getting the price of Dynamo coin up. So,
yes.
Yeah, but we got some great projects, some really, really exciting stuff in the hopper. Just can't announce it just yet.
It's interesting. The price differences depending on what platform you go on right now.
Yep.
Safe Trade is a lot more expensive than on other platforms.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not good at this part. I can't do it in my head. I always have to use the Bitcoin calculator.
Oh, come on. You can't do 37 decimal places?
50. Okay, it's down 50. So whoever bought it, it's moved back down. They've already sold it. Somebody's messing around trying to make a few dollars.
That's the way it works.
That's right.
But we get it baked into these games. Look out.
That's right. All right, Shiba Coin. I don't know. Who cares? I don't care about Shiba.
Nah. All right, man. Let's
right.
call it.
We're leaving, guys. We'll see you Friday. We'll have Sean here, I promise. Ape incoming.
Uh-huh.
Bye.